What's up, everyone? Just to give you a quick glimpse of GamingU here, give you a quick overview so that you understand all the features and what we're trying to do to help you guys out. So let's start at the top here, right? We have systems. So pick your system, and this is what GamingU is going to filter games for. So for instance, we have PC and PS4 selected. Click Done. It's going to show games for PC and PS4 that are coming out. So we have coming soon new releases. All games, obviously, is going to take a little while. This is all games total, like ever created for PC and PS4. So it's going to take a little. It's thousands of games it's downloading. And then we have Spotlight and Popular section. So again, we're going to stay at the top here. If you notice this red flag, if you notice any like wrong information, you can report it to us. It goes right to our email. Our watch list we will be jumping into once we get into a game page. So why don't we just go ahead and do that? We're going to click on Ark Survival of the Fittest. Ark Survival of the Fittest, can't wait for this game. It's going to be a good one. If you haven't checked into it, you should do that now. Pretty much, if you notice, the 3 social media icons you can share on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. YouTube is for gameplay. Click YouTube, bang, goes to gameplay. Let's get rid of that, go back to GamingU. Twitch, if someone's streaming it, you can check live stream. The calendar button, I got permission denied, but all I have to do, I accidentally said don't allow, but all you would have to do is click that, say allow permission, and then I can add this release date in my calendar. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my watch list because I'm really interested in it. And then we also have game overviews, and here's some prime examples. I did some little reviews here. This game will be tough. Yeah, so any user can do that if they want. Again, misinformation, click the flag and just tell us. So let's go back. I added this to my watch list. So if we go to my watch list, you notice I have 2 games I'm looking forward to. Again, this is just a quick, easy navigation to get to the games that you're currently watching. Maybe you want to show your friends. I don't know. So we just want to make it easy on you guys. So if you do click For Honor, it takes you right to the game page. If you do click Ark Survival of the Fittest, it does take you to their game pages. So another cool feature is that if you want to see all of the new releases, you can, right? Just click See All the games coming soon, you can. And then let's just popular are actually games that people are constantly looking into in our app. So these are constantly changing, right? So Infinite Warfare is obviously up there. 2K, Steam, obviously. I mean, Steam has some games in there, The Witcher, whatever. But the Spotlight section is probably one of our favorite. This is straight from our blog. We post a ton of blogs each week, so we're constantly updating you about news in the video game industry. You know, we got a lot of good traffic regarding our blog posts. So if you like them, you enjoy them, you can read them right from our app. So other than that, that's basically explaining. Basically explaining the Games tab at the bottom left there, right? This is where you're probably going to be doing most of your research. So let's say these 2 things, For Honor and Ark Survival, I want to buy, and I'm looking at, and I'm very, very interested in, and I want to get into my inventory here. So all I have to do, instead of just going to GameStop or wherever and buying those video games and pre-ordering, you can now do them inside our app. So all you have to do is click the Store tab. This Store tab is brand new. Came out this past week. We will be adding more vendors in here, like Designed by Humans, Loot Crate, a bunch of other ones, but for now we have 2. So right now you can shop for video games, which is in our in-app store, in-app video game store. We sell video games. We're partnered with Amazon, so you'll see all that in a second. And then also shop for video game buttons, where it's our first vendor that we've partnered up with. But for now, let's go with shop for video games. So we click shop for video games. Sorry, these notifications are blowing me up. It loads. This is our shop. This is right on our site. You can search games coming soon, console gaming, blah blah blah. 7 Days to Die. You can click this. I click this. I can buy it. Come down here, United States, buy on Amazon, blah blah blah. Takes you right to Amazon. boom, you buy it, and you're good to go. So pretty simple, easy to use store. So now when you're learning about video games on this side of things, right, on your games tab, you can go right to the store and buy video games. So if you notice, we're making this community, this hub, right? So not only do we do all these features that we've currently explained, but we also do this, which is getting a ton of traction right now, and that is the specialist tab. So our specialist tab is super popular right now. We pretty much are helping you decide on a video game to buy, right? So simply you come in here, you request now. You tell us what platform you're looking to use. You click it, let's just say PC, select. I don't know why Siri came up. Choose genre. Let's do strategy. Let's go mature. Civilization 6, right? These games you're already looking at to buy. I'm already looking into Civilization 6. So let's submit request. Boom, it brings up your email. Dear GamingU, that's us. Please help me find an awesome game that meets following criteria, blah, 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 blah. Send, okay? So, we're going to get an email in a second like we just did, and I'll show you that right now. If we go into our email here, boom, AJ Picard GamingU request. So our team will literally get this, respond to you, and pretty much suggest some video games that we think will really work out for you, and suggest if Civilization 6 is a good game to look into buying. So we're trying to reduce the chances of you buying a game that you don't like, right? So that tab is becoming super popular. We're enjoying it. Our users are enjoying it, and we highly suggest using it because, again, we're doing all this extra research for you. We're going off what the market's talking about. So again, try and use that feature as much as possible. Obviously, search tab, pretty basic, and then our settings. You can share GamingU, feedback and support, review on iTunes, legal info, all the ins and outs that you need to know. But anyway, this is mainly the end of our tutorial here. I hope you enjoyed it. I think we're definitely helping a ton of gamers around the world find new video games to play, along with suggesting new games and help, allowing them to buy it in the same place right on their mobile phone. So we're looking to continue to grow. Again, please, we would love to have your reviews on the App Store, positive or negative. The more reviews we get, the higher we climb. So if you don't like our app, tell us. We pay attention to those reviews and we try to make it better. One thing I will say, we are looking into adding a feature where you're not only picking your system that you have, right, but you will also be picking the type of genre you want to look into, like strategy, role playing. So GamingU will be start filtering those kind of subcategories for you. But other than that, that's it. Sorry for these notifications. And we want to thank you for just watching this tutorial. So back into the show, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.